Hello friends, ready to learn some key English words related to school? Whether you're a student or just curious, this lesson will help you master the basics. Let's begin. School.
School.
Say it again.
School.
School. Classroom.
Classroom.
Now repeat after me.
Classroom.
Classroom. Teacher. Teacher.
Let's say it together.
Teacher. Teacher. Student.
Student. Say it one more time. Student.
Student. Lesson.
Lesson.
Try saying it out loud.
Lesson.
Lesson. Homework.
Homework.
Repeat the words with me.
Homework.
Homework. Exam.
Exam.
Say it one more time.
Exam.
Exam. Pencil.
Pencil.
Say it again. Pencil.
Pencil.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Let's say it together.
Notebook.
Notebook. Desk.
Desk.
Now repeat after me.
Desk.
Desk. Chalk.
Chalk. Let's say it together. Chalk.
Chalk. Blackboard.
Blackboard.
Say it one more time.
Blackboard.
Blackboard. Library.
Library.
Let's say it together.
Library.
Library. Subject.
Subject.
Repeat the words with me.
Subject.
Subject. Principal.
Principal. Say it one more time. Principal.
Principal.
Excellent! Review challenge. How well do you know the words? What is this called?
School. School.
Do you remember this word?
Classroom. Classroom.
Who is this?
Teacher. Teacher.
What is this called?
Student. Student.
Can you name this?
Lesson. Lesson.
What do we call this?
Homework. Homework.
Do you remember this word?
Exam. Exam.
Can you name this?
Pencil. Pencil.
What do we call this?
Notebook. Notebook.
Do you remember this word?
Desk. Desk.
Do you know this word?
Chalk. Chalk.
What is this called?
Blackboard. Blackboard.
Who is this?
Principal. Principal.
What do we call this?
Library. Library.
What is this called?
Subject. Subject.
Well done! You've learned a lot, and I'm proud of you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future lessons. See you in the next one.